Overcoming dread. A deep dive into understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for you. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, overcome with dread. This expression is rich in emotion and meaning, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and examples to make it crystal clear. The phrase, overcome with dread, describes a very strong feeling of fear or anxiety about something that is happening or might happen. To be overcome means to be overwhelmed or overpowered by something, in this case, dread. Dread is a type of fear, but it's not just any fear. It's a profound sense of fear about something that seems unavoidable or very threatening. Overcome. This word suggests a loss of control, where the emotion is so strong that it dominates or takes over one's feelings or reactions. With, used here to indicate the presence of something, in this case, the presence of dread. Dread. A powerful fear or anxiety about something that is coming or that might happen. It's more intense than just being worried or scared. It implies a deeper sense of fear. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from literature and storytelling to everyday conversations. Here are some examples. As the storm approached, the sailors were overcome with dread. I was overcome with dread at the thought of speaking in front of the entire school. It's perfect for situations where you want to express a deep, almost paralyzing fear about something. Understanding expressions like, overcome with dread, can help you express complex emotions in English more effectively. It also enriches your vocabulary, allowing you to appreciate the depth of what you read or hear in movies, books, and conversations. We hope this exploration of the phrase, overcome with dread, has illuminated its meaning and use for you. English is a language full of rich expressions that can help you convey exactly what you're feeling or experiencing. Keep learning with us, and don't be afraid to dive deep into the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.